Our digital portal, MyABP, is here, your tool for the administration of all your machines and systems. For us, this is nothing less than the digital revolution of the foundry industry. Why? We would like to demonstrate this to you by taking a look at MyABP portal. MyABP is a digital platform that allows users to monitor their systems seamlessly, regardless of make or machine. Whenever a machine reports an irregularity, a defect, or a need for maintenance, this is displayed to the user by means of a convenient ticket system. The ticket overview not only shows open tickets, but also tickets that are currently being processed or have already been completed. What is the condition of the machines and systems? Maintenance planning and service history can be viewed product by product. All machines can be set up in the portal in details so that individual support can be precisely coordinated. The service history provides you with important details on all assignments, from the date of the appointment to the contact person as well as the service performed. Do you need a collection of tips or operating instructions? You'll find them clearly arranged in the document search. You can upload your own documents, for example, if there are specific procedures or operating instructions that need to be followed. The calendar function provides a convenient way to view maintenance schedules. This lets you see all the operating times when the machines and systems are not available for maintenance reasons, which certainly comes in handy when it comes to personnel and production planning at your foundry. By the way, of course you can define here which tickets are part of maintenance planning. An advantage. This way service calls can be combined directly with predictive maintenance planning. The portal also displays available training modules suitable for your existing foundry systems. The topics and dates can be viewed there, and if required, sessions can be booked directly for a user in the company. Users' individual training sessions are also displayed so that everyone always knows when he or she is going to be in a training session. Speaking of users, you can also store different user profiles in MyABP. As a system operator, you always have an overview of which qualifications each user has, as well as their training levels and skills. In other words, in which scenarios and on which systems a user can ideally be deployed. The objective is to not only provide customers with an overview of their installed base in the MyABP portal, but also to give them the option of seeing directly which spare parts they need, and to order them straight away in the online store. Part number, description, cost, and delivery time are stored asset by asset. Optionally, of course, an ABP service can also be offered as well, ideally for the ABP Digital Expert on Demand service. Whenever support is needed, ABP experts and service technicians are always there virtually to ensure maximum availability of the customer system with the ABP Digital Expert on Demand. Augmented reality allows ABP induction support staff to view the system through the eyes of the customer. This facilitates rapid troubleshooting and swift outage resolution for maximum performance at the minimum cost of ownership.